Hello everyone. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to knit a summer pattern consisting of 2 stitches and 4 rows, which are then repeated with a 1 stitch offset. I suggest starting with knitting a few rows of 1 by 1 elastic stitch. Row 1 is on the right side. After 2 edge loops, knit all stitches from the beginning to the end of the row. Row 2 is on the wrong side. After 2 edge loops, the repeat pattern is knit 1, purl 1. Again, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. Row 3 is on the right side. After 2 edge loops, purl 1. Slip 1 loop on the right hook, and pull up a loop 3 rows down. Again, purl 1, slip 1, and pull up a loop 3 rows down. Row 4 is on the wrong side. After 2 edge loops, the repeat pattern is purl 1 and purl 2 together. Purl 1 and purl 2 together. Row 5 is on the right side. After 2 edge loops, knit all stitches from the beginning to the end of the row. Row 6 is on the wrong side. After 2 edge loops, the repeat pattern is purl 1, knit 1. Again purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1. Row 7 is on the right side. After 2 edge loops, slip 1 loop on the right hook, and pull up a loop 3 rows down, purl 1. Again, slip 1 loop, pull up a loop 3 rows down, purl 1. Row 8 is on the wrong side. After 2 edge loops, the repeat pattern is purl 2 together, and purl 1. Again, purl 2 together, and purl 1. On the 3rd and 7th rows, the stitch you pull up 3 rows down must be long enough to cover the height of 3 rows. Otherwise, this hole will turn out to be large. This knit fabric is perfect for summer wear like blouses, tops, capes, and cardigans. It is versatile and can add style to any outfit. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate your presence. If you found the video helpful, please tap the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so that you never miss a video. I hope you find inspiration for your next knitting project. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.